Hi there and welcome to another exciting video of UPDF. Today in this video, we will assist you in understanding how to remove fillable fields in PDF on Windows using UPDF. Many people use this tool to make their documents look more professional with the help of its annotating features. So, without wasting any time, start installing UPDF on your Windows using the link given in the description. After the latest version of UPDF is installed successfully, follow these steps to remove fillable fields in PDF on Windows to make them look more professional. Launch UPDF. Choose the Open File option to import the PDF file. Select Prepare Form. Select the field you want to delete. Right-click on it and press the Delete option, and your fillable field will be removed from your PDF. Before you leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the notification button. That way, you will get a notification for our future updates, and we will see you in another helpful review soon.